Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're doing Good Good Father with 4 simple chords, actually 5 because he wants to use the A minor. So G, C, D, and E minor and A minor. Is there an E minor in here? Either way, 4 or 5 really simple chords, and I'm going to show you how to do the strumming pattern. If you'd like to support the channel, you can always join me at WorshiptheKing.com, become a member. You can become a ministry partner now. The links are in the description, and also this songbook right here is released. You can go get the songbook on Amazon and leave a review, which is the best thing that you could possibly do to support the channel and the ministry and the work that we're doing right here at Worship the King. Here we go, Good Good Father. It is in 6/8. Each slash gets 3/8 notes, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to keep your hand moving straight down like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. So each slash on this chart that I've made gets three beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. And you can kind of hear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Watch my hand is never going to stop moving in that pattern, but I'm not going to be strumming every time. So that's a trick and something that you can kind of work towards. Well, I've heard 1,000 stories of what you're like, but I've heard the tender whisper of love, the dead of night, and you tell that you're pleased and that I'm never alone. You're a good, good Father. It's who you are. It's who you are. It's who you are, and I'm loved by you. It's who I am. It's who I am. It's who I am. Okay, so now you can kind of hear that I was kind of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, and I did some flips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're a good, good Father. It's who you are. It's who you are, it's who you are, and I'm loved by you. It's who I am. So it's 6/8. It's a little bit hard to get that feel, but that's where you want to keep your hand moving. You can dig your pick in when you want to. Okay, let's do verse 2. Let's do verse 2 and then chorus. Well, I've seen many searching for answers far and wide. Searching for answers only you provide, because you know what we. Let me do that part again. So searching, you provide, because you know what we need before we say a word. You're a good, good Father. It's who you are. It's who you are. It's who you are, and I'm loved by you. It's who I am. It's who I am. It's who I am. All right. So I got tongue-tied up here with the lyrics here, but you know we're all searching for answer. Only you provide, because you is what we need before we say a word. So you might listen to the record to see exactly how he sings that part. I feel like, no, searching for answers only you provide, because you know what we need before we. All right, let's go to the bridge. For you are perfect in all of your ways. You are perfect in all of your ways. You are perfect in all of your ways to us. Now I'm driving this a little more. You are perfect in all of your ways. You are perfect in all of your ways. You are perfect in all of your ways to us. And I think it gets real slow and says, so love, so undeniable, I can hardly speak in peace, so unexplainable. I can hardly think as you call me, deeper still as you call me, deeper still as you call me, deeper still into love. Oh, you're a good, good Father. It's who you are. It's who you are. It's who you are. And I'm loved by you. It's who I am. It's who I am. It's who I am. Yeah, I think, let's see, I think it goes, it's who you are, it's who you are. Yeah, it's who you are, it's who I am. This is a good song, you know, it's a good song. And in 6/8, I was kind of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2. Ta, ticka-ta, ticka-ta, down, ah, down, ah. And sometimes if you want to drive it, you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 1. T, 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 ticka, ticka, T, 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 ticka, 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 T. Now, I'm just switching it up between downs and flips. So down, 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 ticka, 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 T, 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 ticka, 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 1, 2, 3, ticka. So you can see in my strumming pattern lessons, I really teach you how to play these patterns, but then you can mix and match them. And that's kind of what I'm doing here. Notice that my hand is going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. It's always going down. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ticka, 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 ticka. Just kind of feeling that 3. Hey, thank you for watching to the end. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to learn more, if you don't have the songbook, grab the songbook. And if you'd like to become a partner or a member of the website, go to the links in the description and join me. God bless you. I'll see you on the next video.